Assalamu alaikum students. Open the book of SST, page number 15, geography section, chapter 4, measuring the weather. In this chapter, we study about the different measuring devices for the weather forecast. There are the different measuring devices, like number one, rain gauge. A rain gauge measures the amount of rain that has fallen. This is the metal or plastic container at the top of which is funnel. Inside the container is glass cylinder marked in millimeters. Rainfall on funnel and collect in the cylinder where it is measured every day. This is the rain gauge, this is the funnel, and this is the glass cylinder. These points are showing millimeters. Okay, when the rain fall in the funnel, then go into the glass cylinder, and then we collect the millimeters. We discover that how millimeter rain in this today. So this is the purpose of rain gauge. The second, wind vane. The simplest weather measuring device is the wind vane. A metal arrow. This is a metal arrow. Arrow with a tail. This is called tail and this is called arrow. Is mounted on a pole or roof so that it will turn around. It points in the direction from which the wind is blowing. If the wind comes from the west, the tail is in that side, and the east side points goes. Means ke in the west side the air blows and go for east side. So we describe this shows to the direction of the air. This is very simplest device. Okay, the third one, thermometer. A thermometer measures the temperature. Basic purpose of thermometer is measuring the temperature, but this thermometer measures the weather temperature. For weather purpose, we really need a maximum and minimum thermometer. This intensely shows us the highest and lowest temperature since the thermometer is reset. Usually every day it has U-shaped. This is the U-shaped thermometer. Mercury moves up and down. This red colors, it shows mercury. Two small pieces of steel float on top of the column of mercury like this. These blacks are the metal springs indicators. Okay, and this is the glass tube, this is the mercury, and this is the minimum side and this is the maximum side. Centigrade and Fahrenheit. The mercury goes upward in the hot column. It pushes up its steel marker. Like look at there, 23 centigrade. Like okay, if it goes up 16, then 10. Okay, if it goes down like this, 32, 38, 43. This is the maximum, means ke the minus degree sign. If it's minus 31 to minus 34, minus 38, it raises up if there is very cold. But if there is a very warm or hot area, it goes down from this side, minimum side and maximum side. The cold column does the same except when the temperature rises, the little steel marker is left behind to show the lowest point it reaches. The steel marker are reset to sit on the column of mercury by pulling them down with a magnet. This is the thermometer, weather thermometer. This is the minimum side and this is the maximum side. Okay, when the weather is goes down, means 20, this is shows 23 centigrade. If 27, 32, 38, 40, minimum is 43 centigrade and more down. But on other side, maximum means shows the coldest areas, like it's minus 31, very cold, minus 1, minus 4, minus 10, minus 16, right? So it goes like this. Okay, this is the thermometer. Now turn the page of barometer. Let me fix it. Okay, Barometer. This measures the pressure or weight of the air and is probably the most important instrument for forecasting the weather. There are two kinds of barometer: the Enroid barometer, the Mercury barometer. Okay, I was told you in the last chapter that air has air has the weight also और air has the pressure also. So इस डिवाइस से बैरोमीटर से हम उसकी स्पीड के साथ साथ उसका प्रेशर और उसका वेट, प्रेशर कह लें या वेट भी हम उसको चेक करते हैं. इसकी टू टाइप्स हैं: एनरॉयड barometer, mercury barometer. This is the Enroid barometer and this is the mercury barometer. Come to the Enroid barometer. This looks a bit like a clock. ये एक clock की तरह. Look at this is the face. ये इसका face है. अब ये आगे से ऐसे होता है लेकिन इसके पीछे ये वाली सारा सिस्टम है. इट शोज़ द वेट ऑफ एयर ऑन डायल. जब इसके ऊपर जब ये मूव करता है लाइक फेयर, ये देखिए इफ़ यू सी दिस पिक्चर, इस पर राइट डाउन हुआ है फेयर, वेरी ड्राई, चेंज, रेन, स्ट्रॉमी. जब हवा का प्रेशर या वेट इसके ऊपर आता है तो वो इसकी जो नीडल है वो मूव करती है. अगर बहुत कम है तो इट वेरी ड्राई, अगर हवा बहुत नॉर्मल चल रही है तो फेयर, देन जब वो चेंज हो रही होती है तो उसमें चेंज है. मतलब इस तरह इसकी स्पीड में फ़र्क पड़ता है जब इसके ऊपर वेट पड़ता है हवा का. As the air pressure changes, it pushes the side of the box in or out. The end of the box has a string attached. This is the string attached to it which works the dial. मतलब जब हवा का प्रेशर बढ़ता है तो स्ट्रिंग जो है ये जो उसको डायल को मूव करती है. दिस इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द एनरॉयड बैरोमीटर. नाउ कम टू द मर्करी बैरोमीटर. दिस इज अ ग्लास ट्यूब about a meter long which is closed at one end. उसका एक end बंद है. It is filled with mercury and open is a placed a bowl of mercury. This act as a kind of scale. The weight of the air pressure pushes the mercury up and down so that we can see how heavy the column of air above it is. The average height is about 760 mm. The mercury barometer is fragile and cannot be moved easily. इसके ऊपर जब वेट पड़ता है तब ये इसकी मर्करी ऊपर जाता है और इससे हमें मालूम और डिस्कवर करते हैं कि इस वक्त एयर प्रेशर कितना ज़्यादा है और इस डिवाइस को मूव करना इजी नहीं होता. सो वेदर फोरकास्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सेवरल रीजन. हेल्प द फार्मर्स एंड गार्डनर्स, help to the people to plan out our indoor activities and so on things. कि हमें देखिए अगर बाहर हवा बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ है तो हमें मालूम होगा कि हमें बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. वो तो हो गया. अब हमें एक जिस तरह अब तो सबके पास सेल फोन्स हैं और सेल फोन्स में हम अपनी वेदर फोरकास्ट जो है 4-5 डेज़ की हम जो है उसको देख सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट 10 डेज़ की हम देख सकते हैं. तो हम उस वेदर फोरकास्ट के थ्रू हम अपने प्लान्स को जो है वो प्लान आउट कर सकते हैं कि कौन किस दिन अगर है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए और हमें किस तरह करना चाहिए. सो वेदर फोरकास्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to us in our daily life or in our long term plans. So this is a topic. I hope you get clear it. So now first we do a fill in the blanks. Okay. Okay. First thing, make all these diagram on the your copy. Now come to the rain gauge. Blank number 1. A rain gauge measures the amount of dash that has fallen. Right? A rain gauge measures the amount of dash that has fallen. This is the first one. Second, cut down to this. Rain gauge is a metal or plastic container at the top of which is dash. Okay. Third, inside the container is a dash marked in millimeters. Done. Now underline these 3 lines. Come to the wind vane. Blank number 4. The simplest weather measuring device is the dash. Underline 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Then blank number 5. It, cut the it, wind vane points in the direction from which the wind is dash. Done. Now come to the thermometer. A thermometer measures the dash. Done. 1, 2, 3 lines down. Underline these 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Blank number 7. Cut the it. Write thermometer has U-shaped dash tube and the dash move up and down both arms. This is the 7 blanks. 1 line down. Blank number 8. The mercury goes upward in the dash column. It pushes up its steel marker. Number 9. The dash column does the same except when the temperature rises. Now turn the page, the 10th blank on the next page. Mercury barometer, third last line. The average height is about dash. This is your 10th blank. Okay, now open your copies for your question answers. Use black and blue pen. First, geography section, chapter 4, measuring the weather. Topic, question answers. Question number 1. Why do you think the glass measuring cylinder of the rain gauge is inside an outer container? Draw the diagram. आपने rain gauge की diagram इस question के साथ बनानी है. Clear? Answer is, the measuring cylinder in the rain gauge is inside a container to prevent evaporation as far as possible, which would give a incorrect reading. Okay. Question number 2. Why is it important to know which direction the wind wave is blowing from? Okay. Draw the diagram of wind vane. From this, in this question, draw the diagram of wind vane as well. Answer. The wind direction is important because it is the powerful factor in predicting the weather. Northerly winds generally mean cold and dry weather. Winds from southerly directions. Done. Why does the vane have a tail? Draw the diagram. Okay, wind wave की diagram आप question number 2 के साथ बना लें या question number 3 के साथ, option है, दोनों में से किसी एक के साथ आपने बनानी है. The tail on the weather vane is to keep the arrow pointing in the direction from which the wind is blowing. Done. Question number 4. Describe the barometer and its type. Draw the diagrams. Page number 16. Barometer. This measures the pressure or weight of the air and is probably the most important instrument for forecasting the weather. There are 2 kinds of barometers: the aneroid barometer, the mercury barometer. The aneroid barometer की आपने first 2 lines, just this looks a bit like a clock. It shows the weight of the air on dial. Just these 2 lines right into the explanation. Now come to the mercury barometer. This is a glass tube about a meter long which is closed at one end. It is filled with mercury. Now cut these lines and come there. The weight of the air pushes the mercury up and down so that we can see how heavy the column of air above it is. Done. This is the explanation of the mercury barometer. आपने pictures बनानी है. This is the okay. ये तीनों pictures आपने इस question answer के साथ अपने copy के plain page पे ड्रॉ करनी है. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 5. Why do we need to measure weather and keep a record? Measuring weather and keeping records can help in many ways. We just write 2. Weather warnings can help to protect life and property. Farmers can also benefit from this and plant their crops. Okay. In this chapter number 4 has 5 question answer. Write on the copy with the diagrams. Okay, and 10 blanks. You should write on it and learn it and do the work neatly. Okay. Allah Hafiz.